So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can apply cinematic color gradings directly on your OBS live streams or on the webcam or even in the recordings as well. Now in order to do it, just simply select the video capture device or whatever layer that you want to apply these effects. Right click over there, click on this option of filters. Now here under the effects section, click over there and here you'll see this option of apply LUT. Just simply click over there and then hit OK. Now here just simply browse the LUT that you want, that you can easily download from the internet. Like for example, if here I search for cinematic LUT, I'll easily find the LUTs that whatever I want to. You can see under the image sections you can get any of the LUT and you can simply apply it to simply path down, check the path for the same, and you'll notice that that your simple webcam video will look cinematic to you. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.